Good morning. Myself Mohammad Shaikh from Malik Sandar Institute of Art and Architecture, Vijayapura, bearing University number 2MB158016. First of all, I would like to introduce you to my thesis topic, which is mixed-use development. And now I would like to tell you about what is mixed-use building, what exactly it is called, and why exactly it is called a mixed-use development. Generally, it is defined as the development which comprises mixture of two or more land uses, like example commercial, residential, corporate, recreational, etc. It can be comprised in a single building or a multiple structures. Either it can be developed in a horizontal or vertical building. Mixed-use development is an urban development that blends residential, commercial, cultural, institutional, or industrial uses, where those functions are physically or functionally integrated. Mixed-use development is a it is a pedestrian oriented and also contains elements of a live work play. Multi-use development that has two or more land uses on a single site. Mainly mixed-use building is good for neighborhood. Like I will go through the what are the benefits of the mixed-use development. What benefit it gives. Like buildings can be used according to the feasibility and it can be changed when you want. Greater housing variety and density. For the people, it increases employment, housing, business, and the main benefit is you can accessible in the same place for many works. Like you have residential, commercial, and recreational. You can work there, you can stay there, and you can go to any recreational spaces there. This is the main advantage of mixed-use building, and it maximizes site usage and minimizes the distance to travel from one place to another place. And what are the main aim objectives of the mixed-use building? Mixed-use building is the main objective is to create a mixture that relate to and complement each other through a site design, usage of shared parking, usage of shared public spaces, like main motto is building interaction between people, which is lacking nowadays. Many people are busy in their own work and busy in their social media, don't want to talk with any other. This is the main motto of the mixed building. Want to interact with people, want to establish a interaction between the people, and the main and to save the unproductive time which we are like traveling from one places to another. Like in metro cities, people travel from one place to another for work for hours. They don't have particular feasibility for going work easily. They don't have any particular feasibility. And to design energy efficient environmental concept buildings, these are the benefits which normal people get. And what are the scope, what are the limitations of this project. And uh, there are three or four points by which this multi mixed use building is getting value. The increase in the demands for day by day people are demanding mixed use buildings. They want to live in a culture, live in a society where they have all the amenities, all the feasibility they want. People want to limit traveling or wasting unnecessary time in traveling. Feasibility for the basic needs. They want basic needs to feasible easily. Then what is the ideology behind it? These mixed-use building mainly promotes pedestrians and bicycles. They don't want see in this building we will not take any vehicles to travel from places. We go by walk or we take bicycles or we will go. This decreases the distance between two places, and it also decreases the pollution which creates from vehicles, and it also encourages economic investment and increases revenue of the people. And talking about the methodology, what method taken to design this mixed use building, what are the steps taken. So I have taken firstly I have gone through the evolution of the mixed use buildings and the high rise buildings, how mixed use buildings are evolved, how the mixed use or high rise buildings are evolved. The high rise building mainly which usually we build in a place where we don't have any horizontal space. We have some less space horizontally, so that we can go vertically to have more build up area. We can more accommodated area. So we go and high-rise buildings, and in mixed buildings we want many amenities, like we want commercial, residential, and we want corporate offices there, and we want recreational areas, and we want some parks and gardens, which amenities which gives more feasibility for the people. And next we have study the technical study. What are the technical issues we have to study about this mixed building, like services, services and all the on the built up areas and all we have to study. Like, and next we have I have done case studies. What are the case studies I have to do? Like, I have done two case studies on this. One is abroad and one is from India. First one is the Namba Parks of Japan, which I have done and second is the Kohinoor Square, which is famous in Mumbai, Maharashtra. I have done two case studies. Next, and analyzing the site which I have taken, like sun path, and analyzing it, like approach from where, what are the ways to approach the site, and what is the climate, what are the bylaws of the site, what are the bylaws of this location. And next, conclusion from the study. What I am getting conclusion from the study, what I have analyzed from all the studies, like from taking case studies and literature studies, what I have come to conclusion, what I can design at the particular site, what I can take. And the next is schematic drawing, preparing schematic drawing of the design. What are the stages, what can be done at the stage, what stage. And next is the design development. What is the design development I can take. And next is about site, existing site. This is and the center part of this is the site location. This is the site. This the site is located in Ichalkaranji, Kolhapur district, Maharashtra. And site, and advantage of the site is the strength of the site. The site is located near the outskirts of the city, and it can be accessible easily. And it is at the approximately it is 2 to 3 kilometers from the central market of the Ichalkaranji, and it can be accessible. And in Ichalkaranji we don't have any railway stations, and the nearest railway station is in railway station Kolhapur, that is 7 kilometers away. And this in the right corner is the location of the site. This is the location of the site, white mark, which is the location of the site. And total area of the site is 13,100 square meter, nearly approximately 3 acres. And now it is no use. This is the open land, which will be further developed. And this is the Ichalkaranji. This road is the this is a highway which connects from Ichalkaranji to Kolhapur. This is a 24-meter highway which connects to Ichalkaranji and Kolhapur. And this side is the north of the this side is the north of the side, and this is the south, this is the west, and this is the east side is the road, west side. And one side we have road, and three side we have the agriculture land. Initially this was the agriculture, and it is converted to non-agriculture land for the development. And what is I want to tell you about city. What is Ichalkaranji? Ichalkaranji is located in Kolhapur, Maharashtra, and this is famous for its textile manufacture and export of the textile. This is famous for it. And what is the climate there? What is the climate actually? This is a hot and humid climate. In in summer we have so hot climate, and in the winter we have rainfall. Maximum rainfall is here. And what is transport? From where we can access this site? We can access through three states, from Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Kerala. We have buses from Karnataka, also we have from Andhra Pradesh, and we have from Goa, and we have from local Maharashtra. And the nearest station is the Kolhapur, and nearest airport is also from Kolhapur. This is about my site. And this is the site. This is the exact drafted site. And the left corner is this is exactly site. And I have done sun path from this is the west side, 24-meter wide road. And in north direction we have open field and agriculture land, and south we have open field and agriculture, and in the east we have 24-meter wide White Road, which connects to Ichalkandi, Kolhapur, and the south and the west also we have open land. Open lands. These are the graphs which shows the how much temperature is the maximum temperature and precipitation and the climate. And this is the right corner. We can see breathing mass. This is my concept which I have taken for the building. Breathing mass is the concept for my building. In this project mainly I have been done good quite I have done the massing quite differently from other buildings, but providing I have provided free floors. See, you can see free floors between the floors. I have provided free floors so that it helps in cross ventilation throughout the building. There are two free floors. There are two free floors in the entire building of 9 story. I have 9 story building. Later I will show the floor plans and all. I have totally 9 floors in the building. I have divided into two. I have divided two parts. When I have done two free floors. Free floors. First free floor is in the second floor. That is second floor is the free floor. After exactly lower ground floor, and the second floor is the empty, and that is the free floor. And later and the should and it is sandwiched between from lower side it is commercial and upper side is corporate. And second free floor the sixth floor, which is sandwiched between commercial, corporate and residential building residential. As the height and main part is, as the see you can see here, as the height of the building increases, the height of the free floor decreases. I have given 3.6 meter here and 3.3 meter here, and this is the free floor which showing, and this is a helping cross ventilation. See here we can see this is a solid building which does not have any cross ventilation and all. From here we can, and we have many ways we can give voids, and I have I have taken voids here, and this is a free flow. This diagram shows the cross ventilation, how it takes place cross ventilation. And next is the requirements. What all requirements I have done? See, totally mixed use building I have divided into three. Right side you can see zoning, vertical zoning like commercial, corporate, and residential. I have taken three parts of the application, and I have divided equal. I have taken equal areas. From I have taken commercial, corporate, and residential three floors each. Three floors I have divided into three floors each, and this is the vertical, and this is the requirements. And in the residential I have taken 1 bhk, 2 bhk, and 3 bhk. 3 bhk buildings, and the green spaces, supermarkets, activity area, office building, commercial buildings, mixed use or multiple parkings. And next we can see about area requirements of 1 bhk. What all things are given 1 bhk: bedroom, hall, kitchen, living area. And I have mainly we have a utility area. Mainly we have concentrated on the open spaces which can bring light and ventilation into the building. I have given balcony and terrace also. For every unit we have terraces, we have balcony, everything we have. And we have one bedroom, and there's 2 bhk. We have one master bedroom, one common bedroom. And second is the what is in commercial building. Commercial is not like giving shopping, big shopping malls. There are small shops which can be affordable by people, and the local people want it to be small so that they can be affordable. We can I have given the lower three floor. I have given three floors of shops, commercial shop, that is the lower ground, and the first floor. And later, and I will give, I have in the upper floors corporate, three floors of corporate, first floor, second, and third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, and sixth floor is the free. And seventh, eighth, ninth is the residential building. These are the requirements. And in recreational area I have given to badminton courts and kids play area, and I have provided a garden which can be accessible for all the people who are staying inside the building, who are staying, and it can be used by outsider also. It will be risky if all the people come there. And next is I have done two case studies, that is number parks, and second one is the Kohinoor Square. First, I will tell about the Kohinoor Park. What is Kohinoor Park? Kohinoor Square. This Kohinoor Square. It is located in the Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is located in the central building, CBD of the building, CBD of the city. It is located nearly 5 kilometers from the Shivaji Park, main Shivaji Park. Yeah, it is a tallest building. It was considered when it was in 2003. It was considered the tallest Asian building. It is a 50-story building. Its height of nearly 203 meters. It is mainly had a it mainly it has two stories. When we can see here, it has two stories of that. So one is for commercial corporate offices. One is for residential. And from here, this is the location of the building. And it includes houses, hotels, residences, and shopping malls. And technique using in building are provided with floor to floor insulation. It has provided insulation from floor to floor, which decreases the heat in the building. Surrounding to the sites are luxurious buildings and the international apartments. And and see, when you go through this build when you go through this speech, there are separate entrances for each, four entrances it is, and the space is divided equally. This blue purple is the retail, and this is the commercial, residential, and this is the parking. Four part they have given, four part, and they have given four separate entrances. This is the retail and the commercial, this is the car, and this is the public car, and this is for service center, this is for service center. And they have divided equally in the equal spaces for the building. Like they have given 20% of residential building, 26% of commercial, and 14% of parking, and 10% of this recreational area and all. And when you go to the facade, when you go study about the facade of this, and facade has diamond edges at the corner, diamond edges. And that is consists of aluminum curtain walls. It is aluminum curtain walls. And next part is facade, and metal used in its function. Total tower has cloud glasses, double facade glasses. It has double facade. When you look at the facade, it has diamond edges, which is having aluminum flashlight, which is a unique feature of this. It has aluminum flashing LED lighting, which will be visible in the night. It has aluminum flashing lights, and the top figure shows that this is the top figure shows this services of the building. What are the services and like services like natural ventilation, sky gardening, rainwater harvesting. This is the rainwater harvesting and all. And this next is the number pass. This is located in the Japan, located in the Japan. And this was completed in the year 2005. And this is nearly site is located in the central CBD, central district of the city. And this is about 8 acres land. Has 8 acres land. And main features at it is land with high-rise buildings, lifestyle, urban parks, shopping malls, open air theaters, retail, restaurants like creation. And these are all the opening. These are the openings and all. It is the inside of the building. This is the master plan of the building, and this is the tower which consists of this. And next is the side plan of my building. This side is the north, this is the 112 meter. This is the north side. This is located, and this is the east, and this is the south, and this is the west. And east side is the road, which is 24-meter wide, which connects from Ichalkaranji to Kolhapur. Correct. And from the I have given three points, three entrance points. This is the entry one, exit, and entry. This is the service entrance, and I have provided whole service road for any fire and all. For emergency cases we have provided full this. And each side, this side is a 9-meter setback, this is a 9-meter setback, this is 9-meter setback, and this one is a 10-meter setback. And this side is the small vegetation which is existing. And total area of the building and total area of the site is 13,100 square meters. And area of the buildings is this is the clubhouse. This is the clubhouse, 1852 square meter. And this is the main mixed building. This is nearly 3600 square meters. And this is the play area, which I have given for recreation for residential people. And this is 1600 square meter nearly. And this is the two-wheeler parking, which is for residential people also, and this is for visitors also. And this is the recreational space for residential people. And total is I have taken a ground coverage 65%, and 35% is the open space. This is my site plan. And next, when I go to this master plan, when this is the entry. From here, this is the entry, and here from here it is a drop off. If people coming from public vehicle, public cabs and all, they will come from here, and this is the drop off, and from here they will be going out. This is the exit. From if they are coming from private vehicles, this will be the entrance. And this is the ramp which leading to the basement. This is the ramp, and from here it will go, and from here they will come out. And this is the ground floor plan. When I go to basement plan, I will show the details of it. And this is the entrance and exit of the ramp. And this is the service road running throughout across the building. This is the site. and from here it is the this is the ground floor. From here it is the entrance, and from here down it will be going to the lower ground floor. It is upper. This is the ground floor, and this is the clubhouse. This is the clubhouse which is for residential peoples and other outsider also. It has swimming pool. It has indoor games, and it has restaurant also. It has all the facilities, and this is the park which will be for residential peoples. And next, when I go to ground floor plan, this is the basement plan. This is my basement plan, and this is the ramp which is leading to the basement. This is the ramp of 6 meter wide, and from it is around it is from here it is going to it is going inside. And for the parking, totally it has 14 parking. From here it is coming out from this. This is the this is the basement plan, and these are the column placement and all. These are the services and all. These are the ventilation, and this is lift, electrical room and all. And next is the lower ground floor, and lower ground floor it 1.5 meter down from the 1.5 meter from the down from the ground. And lower ground, we have shops here. We have totally 10 shops here. Lower ground shop. I have divided into 10 shops. This is the staircase leading upward, and this is the passage, and this is also passage, and this is the staircase leading connecting to ground floor. And this is the lower ground floor, and this connects to basement. And these are the services. This is the lower ground shop which connect, and total there are 10 shops in the. And this is the collapsible door which is a collapsible, and this is the entrance. And this is ground floor plan. This is the entrance to the floor. This is the entrance, and this staircase leading to the lower ground floor. This is also going leading to the floor, and this is the what is seen below. And this is the underground water tank. This is underground water, and this is the entrance from a staircase to the here. And there are nine ground floor shops. I have named it as ground floor shops. And this is the watchman cabin. Who is a watchman for watchman cabin? He stays here. And these are the toilet blocks here. Totally male and female are provided. And this is the space for transformer generator and all. This is the transformer, and this is for generator. And this is a staircase connected here. And this is the all the shops. This is the lift service lift, eight persons. This is a duct. And next is the first floor, and this is the basement, and ground floor and first floor are commercial shop. And these are, I have given supermarket in the, I have removed shops here. I have added supermarket for residential people to buy something, buy daily needs and all. They will buy from here. And this is the supermarket. I have given one supermarket, and this is the passage. And I have given three front shops, and here I have given one. I have given one here. And totally, I have 5 shops in the first floor and one big supermarket. And this is the same lift connects to upper floors. And next is the third floor. Second, see, first floor and the third floor. Second floor is free floor, which I have, which my concept is free. I have given free floor, which doesn't have any fancy. This is the third floor. This third floor, I have given offices. This is offices, and this is the entrance. This is the staircase, and this is the lift leading to connects to this, and this is the cutout. And this is seen below. For light and ventilation, I have provided punchers in the slabs. So, and these are the offices. Totally, I have 8 offices in the nine offices in the floor. And this is the terrace. I have given terraces for each these blocks, so that it can be. This will be the recreation area for office people. Yeah, terrace floor. This is the terrace. This is the terrace. Again, terrace floor, so that the recreation area for. And each office is provided with the toilet blocks. Each toilet blocks, separate toilet block. And next is the fourth floor plan. This is also the same. I have given nine shops here. This is also same. This has given terraces and the toilet blocks, etc. It has also, and each each office measures 7 meter by 3.75 meters, and varies from all the shop. Varies to, this is the 6.50. And next is the fifth floor plan. Fifth floor plan is the office building. This is also office building. 3 floors. Third, fourth, fifth is the three office buildings. These are the three floors of the office buildings, and these are the same typical one. And this is also the puncture which I made for light and ventilation. This is the lift and all, and this is a toilet block for this office, and this is a toilet block for this office. and this is the cutting slab. These are the office floor, and the same the terrace and all. And next is the seventh floor. Sixth floor is the free floor, which I have given between commercial, corporate, and residential buildings. And these are my residential units. See, I have given four residential units in each floor. I have to, and this is the entrance for the residential building. From here we can take lift, and from here it is a residential hall. It is a hall, and this is a hall of 3.4 by 3, and this is a dining hall attached to dining, and this is the common toilet, and this is the bedroom. Bedroom, I can see this is the kitchen, and this is the utility, and these are the pipes, plumbing pipes, which is connecting to utility area, and the sink, so, kitchen sink. And this is the master bedroom. This is the master, and the balcony to the master bedroom, and this is the toilet block. And next is the, this is the same. This is the mirror of this. This is the hall. This is the hall dining, and this is the terrace. These are the main things I have provided. This is the recreational airspace for the people who fed up of sitting in a four walls, and they have to enjoy the nature and thing. This is the terrace and all, and these are the fire escape staircase I have provided for the floor. This is the staircase, and these are the same. This is the same 2 BHK, and these are the 2 BHK. These are the 2 BHK flats. And next is the this is seventh floor, eighth floor, and a ninth floor. This is the ninth floor plan. These are the also totally I have given 12 blocks, residential blocks, 12 residential blocks, and this is the terrace floor. This is the staircase leading connects to the terrace, and this is the lift, and this is the fire escape, and this is the open punches in the slab. This for light and ventilation. And next is the east elevations of the building, what he said, and this is the from roadside elevation. This is the roadside elevation. We have 9 floors. These are the free floors, which are provided for light and ventilation, cross ventilation. These are provided for cross ventilation. These are the these are commercial, these are corporate, and this is the free floor also, and this is residential. These are the auto tanks and headrooms. This is also same. This is west side elevation, left side of the site. This is south side of the site. This is the ramp leading to the basement. This is the ramp, and these are the same. And this is the free floor, and the three corporate offices, and three commercial. And this is the same. And these are section. These are sections from section CC and the section BB. And this is the section which showing that official bin which has cut in the slab. This is the cut in the slab which is for light and ventilation up to here. Okay. In this we can see this is the free floor which doesn't have anything. See, no anything we don't have. This is used for multi-purpose. You can use for yoga. We can use for community gathering. Anything. We can use for recreational space. We can come here and sit for some time, and we can chill here. And this is a section of DD. And this is the open space which provides for the light and ventilation. And this is also free floor, and this is the basement. This is the basement parking, and this is the ground level. This is the ground. See, in this we have shown this half of the lower ground shop is above ground, and half of the lower ground shop is in the below the ground, and 3 meter height, and 1.5 meter on the top, 1.5 meter in the below. This is the staircase connected to the ground floor, and these are staircase which connect from each floor to connectivity. And these are the toilet blocks. These are the toilet blocks here, in total 2 toilet blocks. And these are all the shops, dental shops, ground floor shops, and all. And next is the clubhouse. This is the club. This is a club or recreational area, provided recreational area. And this will be the entrance, and this is the leading from 0 to point 9 level, and this is the ramp. And this will be the reception. And this is the waiting area. And from here it is a this is waiting area. This is admin block, and from here we will access to restaurant, and we have a restaurant, and this is the washrooms, toilet blocks, and this is the kitchen. This is the storage. This is the storage, and this is storage. This is also storage, and this is the pantry for the kitchen. And next from here is we have swimming pool here. And we have indoor stadium, small indoor stadium. We can play carom and all. And this is the swimming pool, which is a 1.75 low ground. And this is the sauna, and this is the changing room. This is also the mirror. This is the sauna, and this is the changing room, and this is the washrooms. These are washroom for the people. And from here we can access the gymnasium. This is a gymnasium, cardio and all. We have these. There are two. This is the open and this is the closed. If people want in open, they can do here. These are the open and this is the closed one. And we have some sitting for people, two or four tables we have for sitting. And this is the conventional. If anyone want to from residential or outside they want to party, there are some any family gathering and function. This is the convention space I have provided. And this is the view. This is the view of the view of the swimming pool view. And this is the entrance of the clubhouse. This is the entrance of the clubhouse. And this is the this view of view, this side view, residential view. And this is the section. So there are two sections. This is the section showing depth of the swimming pool. And this is a open, this pergola, these are open pergola. This is open space for, this is the open space. And this one is the restaurant. And so the section bb, I'm sure from here it is showing like this is gymnasium and this is sauna, toilet, washroom. And this is the pathway in the center, and this is the toilet block, and this is sauna. And next is the site views, overall views of the site. This is the overall master plan of the site. This is the main building, mixed use building development. And this one is the commercial block. And this one is the garden. And this is the general store. If people want a general store, keep and any like tea shop and any coffee shops and all, this these are the small shops. We have given four shops here. And this is the parking, two-wheeler parking here. And these are the three washmen. And this is the entrance to the site. And this is the main building. This is the floor, free floors which are partially open, have been partially open. And this is the garden. And this is the clubhouse. And this is the view of the swimming pool. Thank you.